Here's a 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: inline 4-cylinder engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, inductive device charging, and steering assist cruise control. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.